Hello, and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
In this one, we're going to be giving you a tip for the back sacada, specifically for the leaders to have more space and not kicking her.
But before going to the video, remember to subscribe, like if you're enjoying it, and share with your friends.
Let's get to work.
Okay, here we are at the dance floor. We'll show you the tip for the leaders for the back sacada. Side step, we enter into boleo, and this is the back sacada moment, and tip for leaders.
So we are focusing mainly on the first part of the back sacada, and this is what we are working here. Why leaders sometimes we kick her? It's because we run out of space. I will do it wrong, just once so you see why I won't kick you. So, bam. Now look what happened. No space, so I end up kicking her. Otherwise, it's like really hard to get there.
Not good.
Not good. So I end up kicking her. What we should do is we should create a space. If we don't have a space to kick her, to do the sacada, we are going to create a space if we don't have it. Boom. How we create this space, is rotating her in the boleo and moving our left away from her. I'm basically not surrounding her, I'm moving basically away from her. You will see it from the top camera. Now, when we fit together, look all the space we have. This is piece of cake for next, even if we hold the embrace, yes? So we have much more space than being here. Here, I run out of space, it's really tricky for us. That is one of the main reasons why we are kicking the follower.
Just followers, important is you have the boleo. Now you see he's moving away. So don't try to adjust and move with him. That means you make your steps and he will do the back sacada. So don't worry about that. You will see that he's traveling and you don't have to, okay, he's moving, I try to move, I try to adjust. Don't try to adjust. He knows what he's doing. So if you see it one more time, let's go in slow motion. Let's do the boleo and then slow motion after the boleo. So we have boleo here. See, he moves away. I just keep doing my work, going forward for the 8 position, and he will do a back sacada on my step on this angle. So don't try to adjust because you see the leader moving away from you. This is a move that he's supposed to do.
Yes, and the other thing, I think I mentioned this at the very beginning, but don't surround her too much. Yes, if you see it from the top camera, we are doing this one. And don't do this around her, because later you run with the same problem, even worse. Like can you see, I in order to rotate her, I end up naturally doing this, using my elbow, which is really bad. So because of that problem. So in order to avoid that kind of problems, step just a tiny bit away from her.
Can we rotate so they can see it from the other angle?
Before that, sorry, Miri.
Yes.
I would like to mention that we have 2 full courses. I think they are like almost an hour each course, all about back sacada. Volume 1 and Volume 2, from the very fundamental to the more very advanced back sacada.
Tip for followers and for leaders, for both back sacada, for the followers as well.
Yes, where you can find it is on our website, miriamleonardotango.com. And also you will find there that we have our online tango training programs, that they are pre-recorded classes that you can sign up and watch them at your own pace.
Okay, let's go back to the back sacada tips. So we have a side step, a boleo, and this is a moment where he goes forward and does the back sacada, and this is a perfect angle. Let's do it one more time. Pay attention to the details. Side step, boleo, he's moving and entering the leg for the back sacada.
Pay attention that we are with the close embrace. Even the back sacada, leaders, don't hold your hand away from her on the other side because you will end up pushing her. Check on that.
Thanks so much. See you on the next one.
Bye.